Did you know the Carthaginian general Hannibal did the impossible by marching war elephants over the snowy Alps to attack Rome? In 218 BC, Hannibal led his army, including 37 elephants, on a brutal 16-day trek through the treacherous mountains. It was a military maneuver so audacious the Romans never saw it coming, as they were guarding the coast. Most of the elephants perished, but the psychological terror this move inflicted cemented Hannibal as one of history's greatest, and most feared, military geniuses. Want more stories of legendary tactics? Like and subscribe.